can add shapes to your Jamboard frame by clicking on the Shapes icon in the toolbar. The default shape is a circle. To see more shapes, click on it again. Here are the shapes available. To select a shape, click on it. Next, on your frame, click and the shape will appear. You can use the bottom corners to resize it. You can also use the top and bottom squares to resize accordingly. You can move the shape by clicking and dragging it, and you can rotate it by using this corner up here. Click and drag to rotate. To change the border color of the shape, come to the top here and click on the border icon. To select a different color, click on it. You can also change the fill color by clicking on the bucket icon. If you need to duplicate the shape, click the three dots and select Duplicate. You can then move it and resize that shape as you wish. You can also recolor this one with the options available. If you need to delete the shape, click on it, click the three dots, and click Delete.